Good morning, student. Today I am going to discuss about the question answer from first chapter chemical reaction and equation. First of all, we study about the chemical balance, how to balance the chemical equation and how to write the equation from word equation. How to write a skeleton reaction from the word equation. Right, like write the balanced equations for the following reactions. Here, calcium hydroxide react with carbon dioxide, it produces calcium carbonate and water. Another question is question number B. Lead react with copper chloride, produce lead chloride and copper. Here another question is barium chloride react with sodium sulfate and produce barium sulfate and sodium chloride. Next question D. Zinc react with silver nitrate, it gives zinc nitrate and silver. All these equations are in word form where the balanced equation are written in symbol form. Here we write the equation which is present in word equation. Now we write in symbolic form. Here calcium hydroxide, the valency of calcium is 2 and the valency of hydroxide is 1. Now the formula of calcium hydroxide is CaOH whole 2 plus carbon dioxide CO2. It produces calcium carbonate. The valency of calcium is 2 and the valency of carbonate is also 2. Hence its formula is CaCO3, and as you know the formula of water is H2. Another word equation is lead react with copper chloride. Here lead, the symbolic form of lead is Pb and it react with copper chloride. CuCl2 gives lead, the formula of lead is Pb and the valency of Pb is 2 and the valency of chlorine is 1. Hence the formula of lead chloride is PbCl2 and Cu. The symbolic form of copper is Cu. Another question is barium chloride react with sodium sulfate. It gives barium sulfate and sodium chloride. The formula of barium chloride is BaCl2 and sodium sulfate is Na2SO4. The valency of sodium is 1 and the valency of sulfate is 2. Now the formula of sodium sulfate is Na2SO4. It gives barium sulfate BaSO4 and sodium chloride. The formula of sodium chloride is NaCl. Now another question is zinc react with, when zinc react with silver nitrate, the symbol of zinc is Zn and the formula of silver nitrate is AgNO3. It gives zinc nitrate. The valency of zinc is 2 and the valency of nitrate is 1. That is why the valency of zinc nitrate is ZnNO3 whole 2 and gives silver. The symbol of silver is Ag. This is the balanced chemical equation from the word equation and it is present in symbolic form. Another question, write the balanced chemical equation for the following reaction and identify the type of reaction. Very important reaction. Write the balanced chemical equation for the following reactions and identify the type of reaction. Type of reaction means combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, or double displacement reaction. Now, here, potassium bromide react with barium iodide. It gives potassium iodide and barium bromide. The symbolic form of potassium bromide is, the symbol of potassium is K and symbol of bromine is Br. Now, the formula of potassium bromide is KBr. Barium iodide, the valency of barium is 2 and the valency of iodine is 1. Now, the formula is BaI2. Then, what is the symbolic form? Potassium bromide plus barium iodide. It gives potassium iodide plus barium bromide, and it balance as a twice KBr plus BaI2 gives twice Ki plus BaBr2. Here, this reaction is double displacement reaction, in which both anion are exchanged with cation. Here, anion Br exchanged with barium and anion iodine exchanged with potassium. That is why it is the double displacement reaction. Now, the another question is hydrogen chloride react with chlorine, it gives hydrogen chloride. It means that hydrogen react with chlorine, it gives hydrochloric acid. In this reaction, a small element or molecule combine to form a single molecule, which is the combination reaction. The question number B is zinc carbonate gives zinc oxide and carbon dioxide. Zinc carbonate a bigger molecule, and after dissociation it gives zinc oxide and carbon dioxide. The reaction in which bigger molecule is split up into two simpler molecule. That is why it is known as decomposition reaction. Now, here magnesium react with hydrochloric acid. It gives magnesium chloride and hydrogen. Here one is elementary form and another is in the form of compound. And in this reaction is displacement reaction. In the displacement reaction, one is present in the form of elementary state and another is present in the compound form. This is the displacement reaction, and this is the identification of displacement reaction.